You ever read a page in a textbook, get to the bottom, and realize you remember absolutely nothing? You reread it 3 times, but the words just bounce off your brain. You start thinking, maybe I'm just slow, maybe I'm not smart enough. I need you to listen closely. You are not stupid, you are just using a broken strategy. Today, I'm going to teach you the learning method used by a Nobel Prize-winning physicist who is known as the Great Explainer. It's called the Feynman Technique. But here's the catch. Most people try this technique and fail because they miss the 12-year-old rule. I'm going to explain exactly what that is and the specific trap you need to avoid at step 3, or none of this will work. The biggest reason we feel like slow learners is the illusion of competence. You read a sentence, you recognize the words, and you nod your head, but you don't actually know it. Richard Feynman realized that there is a massive difference between knowing the name of something and knowing something. If you feel like a slow learner, this technique levels the playing field. It forces you to stop faking it and actually own the information. Step 1 is simple. Get a blank sheet of paper, write the name of the concept you want to learn at the top. Step 2 is where the magic happens. I want you to explain the concept on that paper as if you were teaching it to a smart 12-year-old. No jargon allowed. Do not use the textbook definition. If you write, inflation is the quantitative easing of fiat currency, you failed. A 12-year-old would be confused. Instead, write, inflation is when printing too much money makes the money in your pocket worth less, so candy bars get more expensive. When you simplify the language, you trick your brain. You can't hide behind fancy words anymore. You have to understand the logic. But as you do this, you are going to hit a wall, and that leads us to the trap. Eventually, you'll reach a point in your explanation where you get stuck. You'll realize you don't actually know why one part leads to the next. You feel frustrated. You feel slow again. Don't quit here. This struggle isn't a sign you are dumb. It's a sign you found a knowledge gap. This is the gold. When you get stuck, go back to the source material. Reread only the part you are struggling with until you can explain it in simple words. Then go back to your paper and fill in the hole. This is why you usually learn slowly, because you skip the struggle. This technique forces you to fix the gaps immediately. Finally, step 4, review and refine. Look at your notes. If your explanation is still wordy or complicated, you don't understand it yet. Use an analogy. Connect the new thing to something you already know. Electricity is like water in a pipe. A hard drive is like a filing cabinet. If you can create an analogy, you own the information forever. Being a slow learner is usually just a label we give ourselves when we try to memorize instead of understand. Feynman wasn't a genius because he had a high IQ. He was a genius because he refused to move on until he could explain things simply. I have a challenge for you. Pick one topic you've been struggling with and try this today. Then let me know in the comments. What is the one subject that always makes you feel stuck? I read every comment. And if you want to know exactly how to take notes while doing this, so you never forget them, click the next video on the screen. Stop memorizing, start teaching. I'll see you there.